Hey guys, Daren Goldin from Goldin Solar. Thanks for checking in today. Florida's beautiful. Florida's got a lot of beautiful natural landscapes, natural places to check out. Today we're lucky enough to have Daren recommend us to come and see this beautiful place. So this is Cedar Lakes Woods and Gardens, and we're gonna go explore some of the more beautiful places that Florida has to offer. Let's check it out.
Well, it started off just to be a fish pond.
Okay.
26 years ago. We started adding plants. I guess we're still adding plants.
So we're here at the Cedar Lakes Woods and Gardens, and it's just magnificent. We've been walking around with Ray, and he's the owner, and he's been building this place little bit by bit over, I think he said, about 20-25 years. It's magnificent. So there's lakes and there's waterfalls, and there's wildlife. There's squirrels and birds and hummingbirds, and there's all these different plants. We've seen orchids, we've seen roses. So many plants, more than I could name. Bamboo, some interesting kind of Japanese style Zen gates. So it's a very sort of mixed style, and it's magnificent. So normally they have this sort of pit to the quarry that is sort of the low point, and then they have all these bridges. What Ray explained to us is that the water is particularly high right now. So now it kind of looks like one big lake with the bridges kind of converging into it. But maybe we'll check it out again a little later in the year once the water level goes down a little bit. But this place is just magnificent. It feels very natural, very calming. Just really nice to be in a place like this.
When's the last time you smelled air this clean?
The last time I smelled air this clean, God, I can't even remember. It's kind of a mix of the air, of the quiet, of the sounds that you do hear are birds chirping and water falling. So just between the smells of the flowers and the air, it's quite a magnificent place to visit. So normally everything in Florida is flat. It's completely flat. But I guess because of the history of this place having been a limestone quarry, you've got these elevation differences. Looks like probably about 100 feet, 150 feet down there. So it's interesting. It almost makes it feel like you're in North Carolina, a place that you'd be a lot more likely to see waterfalls and big elevation differences. My favorite thing about here is just how mixed it is. We have bougainvilleas, we have koi fish, we have bamboo, so we have some Japanese influence, and then we have a lot of natural Floridian plants, flowers, so very calming. The pictures on the brochure are spectacular, so it's too bad that we didn't get to see it in exactly that condition. I'm sure it'll return to that condition, no, it's definitely not the same, but still quite beautiful. We can still see swans and ducks floating around the lake here. So yeah, either way, it's spectacular.